So guys, on this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make $30 plus online by just following this step-by-step guide. So if you don't watch this video from the beginning to the end, you will not learn anything. So just watch everything to know what you have to do to make this $30 online. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So once I click on the search bar, I will search for Paidviewpoints, which is, I will type in now, Paidviewpoint with S at the end. You type in search, and it's going to pop a lot of like a bunch of applications out. So I'm going to show you the one you need to download. Is this first one that will have a black background and yes, I will say green logo. I'll click on that and it's going to open. So what you have to do is to install this application. So once you have installed it, you need to register your account. It's very simple. It's not something like complicated. It's very simple to register your own account. So I have already registered my own account and I will just log into my own account and show you around this application that is called Paidviewpoint and how you can take advantage of it and how you can make money with it and the time you can spend on this application to be able to that type of amount of money that I have made. So that is it. So let me log into my own account. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account. You can see on the top, the logo is showing paidviewpoint.com, and you will see that Paidviewpoint, my current balance is $1.10, which is not a lot. I know a lot of you will say it's not even a lot of money. Yes, but this is just what I have earned just for the moment, but I have made money from this application. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the logo. So it's to refresh the page to see if there is a service you need to complete. So what are the services that you are going to be doing on this application Paidviewpoint that will allow you to make money online? So Paidviewpoint is partnering with a lot of companies that give them research to do. So they will just ask you a review about a particular, like this smartphone that you can see, this Samsung smartphone that you can see. They can just ask you to talk about your experience about the smartphone or about the particular devices that you are using or about a particular product or anything or your groceries product that you are buying. They will just give you a name of a particular product, and you have to do is to just talk about what you think this product is and how it have been helpful to you, or if you know people that it have been helpful to. So all these are research you just need to do. You just need to be answering no, yes. You reply with a response. So you are not going to any places to go and complete this task. You are just going to sit down, just like you are seeing me sitting down, and you can do everything. And at the end of the day, you will find yourself by just spending 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you are going to be making from 4 cents to $5 by just taking survey on this application, which is called Paidviewpoint. Is what I have been doing, and I will show you proof of how much I have made and how much I'm making from the surveys that I'm doing. So that is what you have to do on this application, which is called Paidviewpoint, to use it to accumulate money online. Now that you know how this application works, so let me show you what you have to do to start making your own money. So one thing you have to do is to make sure you are checking the email you use to register on Paidviewpoint, because Paidviewpoint is going to be sending you email almost every 2 days or every single day, survey to complete. And those surveys are very expensive surveys. The expensive survey, which is from $1 to $5, are the one they are going to send you directly into your email. But the one that is 4 cents, 10 cents, you are going to be doing all these ones from the application, and they have every single day surveys to complete. That is one thing I like about Paidviewpoint. That is one thing I want you to know when it comes to, like, if you want to make more money with this application. Just pay attention to your email, your Gmail account, so that you will see the email that Paidviewpoint is sending you, so that you'll be able to complete those tasks and use them to make more money online. And one thing I need to say is that if they send you that task and you didn't complete it within 1 day or within 24 hours, that survey will expire, and they are going to send you another one if they have any task available for you. So it's just for you to understand this, in case you click on it and it says sorry, this survey is not available. You think that the application is like they are playing you. You just need to understand that the survey is pending 24 hours. Once it's 24 hours, you are not able to complete the survey, they are going to hand over the survey to people that is available to do research for them. So that is one thing I want you to know about this application, which is called Paidviewpoint, and how you can use it to make money online. And another way that you can use this application, Paidviewpoint, to make money online is to use their referral program. You will earn up to $25 when you refer people to this program. The people that you refer have to be using this application, not just a random person. They have to use this application, Paidviewpoint, and cash out before you will get that reward. So to do that, when I scroll down here a bit and I click on the part where it said friends, if I click on friends, it's going to pop this up, and you are going to see that it's telling us to invite a friend to their membership plan, which is the VIP plan, and we are going to earn up to 20% from anything that they do on those applications, which is called Paidviewpoint. You don't have a limit of amount of people that you can refer. You can refer like 10,000 people, 20,000 people. It doesn't matter how many people you refer, you will be accumulating more money from this application, which is called Paidviewpoint, from anyone that you bring to the platform. So that is one thing I want you to know too about Paidviewpoint. So you can just click on this part where it said invite friends. You can send them link of this application Paidviewpoint either by email, or you can just copy your affiliate link and go and paste it on your other social media, or you can give them your referral code. As you can see, I have my own referral code, which is OK8UMB. If you use that, that is my referral code, and I will make money when you want to sign up on this platform. So I will still leave my link in the description. If you want, you can just check it out. Let me know what you think, if it's very helpful or not. So that is one thing I want you to know about this application, which is called Paidviewpoints. So let us now talk about how much I have made from this platform and the proof. So let me show you the proof. So to see the proof, you have to click on this dollar icon. So when I click on this dollar icon or this dollar sign, it's going to pop this up, and you are going to see you say your current balance is $1.10, which is what I have currently on my own account now. And as you can see, say end $13 more to be able to cash out, which is we need $15 to cash out if we want to cash out our money out of this application. So you cannot just make 1 cent or $1 and cash it out. You have to make a minimum at least of $15 to be able to withdraw your money into your paper account. So I want to still talk about that. Their payment method is paper. So if you want to cash out, you have to make sure you have a paper account, or if you want to sign up on this application, make sure that you have a paper account, and so that you'll be able to receive your money once you have your $15 that you made on this application, Paidviewpoints. So when I click on history, this part where it says view history, but before we click that, you will see, like I told you, I make up to $34.74 on this application. My last earning was $16.57, which is what I make, which is what I cashed out a few days ago. And if I click on the part where it says see full earning history, when I click on see full earning history, you will see that today I have already made money from this application, which you can see here. Today is 19 December. I made $1.10 from this application, which is called Paidviewpoint. So you can see any is coming every day, 1 cent, 9 cents, 6 cents. So it keep on coming like that. You can see my cash out, which I did December 8th, 2023. So this is not just, I'm not just talking like a random person. I have already used this application and I have earned money with it. So that is everything I want to talk about Paidviewpoint, and you can use it from anywhere, all over the world. Anywhere you are in the world, you can use this application, which is called Paidviewpoint. Just go download it on your Google Play Store and start using it to make money online. And I want to talk about the pro and con. The pro is that you can make good amount of money from this application. The cons is like you will not make a lot of money. So it's not application that will make you to become rich, but you can make money with this application, but you will not become rich. So that is just a little bit tips about the pros and cons, about just what I think about this application. If you want to really make good amount of money online, I have made a video where I talk about how you can make money with affiliate program and make up to 10% to 80% commission. So you can watch this video right now where I will teach you how you can make money with affiliate program by promoting other companies' products. So that is everything I want to talk about this video. So if you find this video useful, only what I will ask from you right now is for you to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think. Don't forget, follow me on my Instagram page, Twitter, Facebook, and don't forget, subscribe for more great videos like this. I will see you on my next upcoming video.